Oh. Oh. Hey. What's going on, guys? We're gonna open some Pokemon cards.
Let's go.
We're gonna go get some Pokemon cards.
What he said.
Alright, we got our cards.
Yeah.
Today, we're all opening some Mega EX shit.
Yeah,
and
man.
we got like some we each got a tiny, where's your tiny?
We got some stuff.
We got a tiny thing. This is gonna become a weekly.
We got the Mega Scissor Pack.
We're starting our own Pokemon card collections, all three of us.
Pokemon gang.
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, we just got this box. It came with 20 sleeves right here so we can put all the rare cards in there. Put that aside. It comes with this booster box, or this booster pack, Lost Thunder. And we got a Groudon Hollow. Oh, look at that. It's actually reverse hollow. 5K card. 5K.
How do you know it's a reverse as well?
5K. Just hop right into this.
Solid gold Pikachu card.
I honestly wouldn't
Code
know.
card we don't care about. 3 to the back. Get rid of the energy. Got a Quilava. Whatever. Carbon. No one cares about that. Chansey's pretty cool. That guy I haven't seen him for a while.
What's the reverse?
Reverse hollow.
Yeah, that's kind of sick.
Yeah, what is it?
Oh,
it's a Ditto.
it's a Ditto.
Is that the rare or the reverse?
I think it's a Black Star promo, dude.
I don't even know. There's no star on the bottom right though.
And then we got
Oh, that's the rare.
whatever. Get out of here.
That's
But
kinda
this
sick.
bad. That's a full hollow.
Look at this is your new collection.
We got reverse
Dude.
and oh, that's pretty nice.
now
Yeah.
that is powerful.
I'd grade this as a PSA 10.
How much is it worth?
I, through my knowledge, I'd grade this at $50.
$50.
$50.
I think that's about $100. Let me see that. Silly. Next pack.
All right, opening up the Scissor EX box.
Oh,
I purchased this from
Scissor
Target
grabs.
for 15 bucks. I'd say it's a good deal. Yeah, that's about it. I think this card's pretty stupid. This big one,
Ew.
but because it's not gonna fit in my sleeves, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. More interested in
Do you think anyone plays
this.
big cards?
There we go.
So how much is it worth?
So this is Scissor EX, boys.
Dude.
That's probably worth a lot. Get the sleeves out right away. Right away.
Right
Get
away.
that shit in the sleeve.
Of course. Yeah.
I'd rate this card at $15. So like the pack's paid for right there. It's pretty OP. Start things off with a Steam Siege. I'm not sure if the card trick's the same for all boxes.
What are you even supposed to do?
I don't know.
I think we should always just do 3 to the back.
3 to the back.
Screw the code card. 3 to the back. Just get rid of the energy.
Oh my god!
What is that? What even is that?
Oh.
You just hucked that thing.
Well, I did the card trick wrong. Thought this was the energy, but we
Should we
got
just not
a
do the card
Steelix
trick?
EX, boys.
What is it?
That's what I'm talking about.
What even is? What is it?
Oh, I got a headache. This $35 card right there. Have you ever seen a Steelix EX before?
I don't think so, bro.
No, that's a $35 card.
This is the only kind of it.
Okay, now we got the. Wait, where's the rest of my card? All right, get rid of the energy. Oh no, that's the reverse hollow. Okay,
I don't think these ones have energies.
okay, we got this boy, this guy. Guy's in Pokemon Go a lot right now. Persian. This guy's pretty OP. Never seen this guy before. That's cool.
Joltik. You've never
This guy is OP. Okay.
Then we got a bunch of garbage. Okay. We got evolutions. This is I'm excited to open this pack. We got the old cards coming in here. If I don't pull an OP card here, I'm going to be disappointed. I'm just going to open it because I don't want to mess up the card trick. Ghastly. These are nostalgic. These are like cards of seal. OP Charmander right there. Diglett.
Oh,
reverse
the
Rattata.
reverses look so cool.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh.
Yeah,
They're all trainers, dude.
Box.
Train card. You want that? Otherwise, just rip it up.
All right, we're opening this little tin thing. Oh, all right. Oh, it's like a little lunch box.
Oh, you got
Look-
Pokemon coin.
Look at that.
There's a little
Oh,
art
look
card,
at that little art card. Oh, little squirt.
Got the coin.
Got this coin. It's probably worth fuck all.
Is that from a previous
Sun
one,
and
or-
moon and
Oh,
face
dang, there
collide.
actually are two.
Yeah, there's two, man.
Open it like a bag of shit.
That's.
Crunch.
Oh, that was nice.
So I
Okay.
said in the box. Huh?
Which one?
I'll grab it.
I don't want to look. Okay, and then three
Then that should
to
be
the front.
Then that should be the energy on the back. Unless you scuffed it like I did.
All right, we got fuck that. Old boy, Don, Crobler, too much alts in those. Dew Biter, Escape Rope.
Oh, that's a reverse.
That's my reverse.
Here we
That's
go.
kind of cool.
Oh.
And then an Alolan Ninetales and then an Energy.
Might as well rip that in half.
Nah, dude. I gotta complete the set, John.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Time for that one opened a lot easier. Oh, come on. There we go. You can take the code card.
You got a good card.
I did.
Yep.
Fuck. We got
Wait, hold up.
Omnite,
saying.
That's why you don't want to look at it.
De-Evolution Spray, Wormadam, Riolu, Cottony. Who gives a fuck? Seal,
Just
Whismer,
want to see a guy.
Dugong. Ooh,
Oh.
that's cool. Oh! That's a cool rare. Or look at it, it's shiny.
It's 160 HP. That's OP.
Dang, dude.
But Steelix is
Damn.
180 though, so it would win.
All right, that was the little tin. Now it's time to open the Kingdra EX foil thing.
I'll just snap its little neck.
Pretty OP.
Yo, say that.
Here we have this. You gotta take the top off. Oh yeah, look at all that. Look at this big fat card that's probably worth nothing. It's kind of cool though. And then let me get the little card.
I got it.
And
I'll
then-
put them
ooh.
both in the sleeve.
Yo, bro, your code card says you got something rare.
That no, do it.
Look
Open
at
up
that.
that. Open up that.
My last pack, and then it's on to Sean. My knee is twitching because this is the most awkward position. What does that mean? Oh, I think I got oofed. Yeah, fuck all.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Oh.
Sweet. That's Tori.
That's story.
Where's the... Oh, there. Alright, Sean's turn.
Okay, great.
Go to the middle.
Oh yeah. Yo, it's your boy Sean. We've got this thing. Yup. Cool. Well, the first card here is this hula thing. Cool. Great. Next one. Planet.
Don't do that. You're gonna mess up the card.
I'm trying to open it, bro. It's hard.
Don't fuck up the cards.
Oh, cool. We got a good card.
Oh, you did.
It's alright. How much? Do 3 in the back?
To the back and then throw out the one on the back.
Throw this one out?
No, the one in the back out.
Oh. This one?
Yeah.
Dude, I want that, bro. Hold up. How do I open this? Can you open this for me? Oh, perfect.
Why are
Dude,
you opening the sleeves right now?
Because he wants to put his energy in it.
dude, I might need this later. Keeping that one for later.
Okay, and the new rule is you
This thing.
this
Oh.
is, so this is all of the Sean
That looks nice.
Productions
Yeah.
collection. You can have your own collection if you want to buy Pokemon cards on your own. I don't know.
That's too
why.
much money.
Yeah, but like
Great. Is that $20?
$30.
$30? $30 for this schmackaroo boy. Very nice. All right, we got a bear.
Jesus.
All right, we got bears now in a thing. Slap it on the back. I think it did a thing. Cool. We got this little promotion deal. It's a big bear. Don't eat it. All right, we got promo card. Great. Cool. Thing. Where's the thing? Here's the bear. We got a bear. Wow, smaller bear.
That's a sick card.
$50. Boom, right there. Set it right there. First pack. Sun and Moon. Great. 3 to the back. 1, 2.
Oh, look at that card.
Screw that. 3 to the back, as you should do. Do you like this? Yeah. So we got some lantern, a tree. I don't know what that is. Horse, pig, orange, grape, fruit. Oh my God, it's a gerbil. Great. Hula dancer. Oh, dude, bro fist. Very nice. Next thing is this bird. No, it's coffee. Ooh. Oh, that was nice and easy. We've got some nose. Oh, was I supposed to do a 3 to the back?
It's up to you.
Okay, well, we got that. We got this boy. We got this ice cream. I don't know what that is. That thing. That was that? Oh, it was a shiny. Little shiny thingy. What does that mean, John?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's another one here.
Oh, that's a hollow!
It's a hollow?
Yeah,
How much is that worth?
$30.
No way. We got, a fist bump. Oh, dude. You gotta go green, bro. If you're not going green, I don't know what. We got a Max Potion and a Clefable. And, good stuff. What can we recap? Oh, this was the best card so far. And check that out. This one had a little pocket so I can store stuff in it. It's a good card. All right. Okay, what's on?
Ah!
What's up?
It's my burger. Or I'll just put a reminder that you owe me $18. $20.
20, yeah.
Some good sauce, too. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna start making this a weekly thing.
If we remember.
Pretty good.
I had fun.
I think I had the best bowls.
I think
He
so.
did. John had 4. No, Sean had 4.
Yeah, but mine were better.
His was better. You have the.
I had
was it
2,
GX
and I
or whatever?
opened the most packs.
I had 2 EXs.
It's good eating
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah.
Are we recording the entire time?
No.